how to fix unable to log into Roblox account on PS5. So the first thing that I suggest doing is going to be going over Roblox, then pressing the options button here. And once you click on the options button, you want to go and select check for update. Here, if there's an update for your app, then it's going to show. Next, what you want to do is go and click on the settings in the top right. Then here you want to choose users and accounts. Go into other, restore licenses, and here you just choose Roblox and click on restore. Now, once you do that, then we can proceed to the last step, which is probably gonna fix it for you. So you want to get your phone. So get your phone, then you will need to open up the app, click on more in the bottom, settings. Now select security. Here it's gonna show you PlayStation connected with a PlayStation account, so you just want to press on disconnect, and this is gonna disconnect the account from Roblox and you should be good to go. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.